Okay, first we want to connect the two tracks. Okay, we have a track connector, so we insert the track connector, and then we insert another section. Okay, and have them right in the middle. Okay, right in the middle of two tracks. Then we tighten the screws, make sure they are closed, and tighten the screws. Okay, one piece of track now. Now we want to put the belt. Oops. Oh, we don't want to tangle the belt. Okay, make sure the belt is smooth. Have no knuckles. Okay, that's important. So we have to put the belt inside the track. To help us quicker, we'll put a buckle here, and then a carrier holder. And just put it inside. Let's go all the way in. Okay. Now when we're here, we'll get more belt over there. Okay, so we got more belt here. Now we're going to put the drive unit. Just push in, get the belt out, pull it. Okay. Again, we want to put the belt back to the track, so we use another buckle just to help us to go through the track. Okay, so we got a belt out. Take this one out. Now we have to line up the drive unit with the track, right touching it. Okay, do not put it inside. Just touch it. Just touch it each other. Okay, and back here, we want to move the belt right at the edge. Right at the edge. Well, I want to make sure here. Do not move it. Okay, and then here, and then here, and then here. The belt is right at the edge, okay? Just at the edge. We'll mark it at the edge, okay? And that way here, we open a little bit, okay? So we open a little bit, and then we mark it here. We put a mark here too. Okay, so we have two marks. Now, we can come back here and cut the belt. Right, do not cut the tips, okay, just right next to the tips. So if the mark is here, just cut it off. After cutting it, count 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, so we cut 4 more. See, we cut 4 more. Okay. Now, after this, we go back here. With the belt. With the belt, we have a mark here. We count 7 more. Okay, this is 1. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8, right? 1 mark represents 1 tip. So we have 8 tips here. Now, go back to, put back the belt, Now you want to check the belt inside the track. Is it inside the channel? Okay, make sure it doesn't come out, because sometimes the belt will come out, and you can tell by moving the belt it's just smooth. Look at here. The belt you can pull out easily. That means it's good. Okay. So we pull one of the belt out on this side, okay, or the far end side. We pull one of the belt out, and then we put one of the buckle right at the edge. Okay, now we have to close it now. We have to close the buckle with side buckle. So we close it tight, okay? So this is the finished one. And then put a carrier holder. Okay, now we put it back to the track. Now we go back over there, go back over here, okay? And we have to find the marking. So we found the marking here. We found the marking here. We put a buckle right next to the egg. We don't want to cover it, so it will be the knife teeth. Okay, so remember we have 8 marking, right? So we put one right next to it. So with the knife teeth, we put one buckle. Again, we close it. Close the buckle with a side buckle. Okay, so it's very tight now. Now put one more right next to it. Okay, right next to it with one teeth in between. Okay, leave one teeth in between and put a buckle right next to it, and then close it with the buckle. Close it, okay, and then we put a carrier. Okay, remember the handle face inside the track, so we put this one in. Okay, don't close it yet. Okay, just leave it this. Now we got one carrier in, and now we go back here with this idler. So we're gonna put the idler first before we do that. So we put the idler, right? Put the idler, and then we put the buckle. Oops, this way. Then we put the buckle, and then close it. Then close it. Okay. Then we use this. Now we can put it in. Okay. Now we can put the eyelet inside. And after the eyelet, put a stopper. Put a stopper here. Oh, again, check the bell and did they come out the channel? Okay, it's right within the channel. Okay. Sometimes if you see the bell come out, if you see the belts come off the channel, okay, sometimes it will come out. So you want to push it back. Just push it back. Wherever you see it, just push it back. But now this is good. Now we got the eyelet here, and we go to the other side and put the eyelet and the stopper here. Whatever you need, you put as many as you want, and put a stopper here. Okay. Now we can close it. We can close it now. Just push the carrier, and then put the drive unit all the way in. Okay, all the way in. Okay. And over here, if you move one of the carrier holder and then push a little bit, it will go all the way in. Now do not push it. Just put it in maybe halfway, okay? And then come here with 2 carrier holder. You will just want slightly close it, okay? You don't want to push here. You want to push here. You want to push here. The reason for that is the belt is circulating. If you hit it too hard here, the belt may get tangled or cramped inside. So you want to leave it out a little bit and push it here. Okay, push it here. That means the belt is fully functioning. See, very smooth. Okay, so now you want to put a spacer in between. Okay, and then since this is here, so we want to put one this way, I suppose. Right. Okay. And then the screws. Oh, now leave the hole here, and we want to put a screw here. Okay, now you want to tighten this stopper. And then tighten this stopper here. Now you can move it. See? Very smooth. That's it, that's the center opening. Cut it.